Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making PJ Masks decorations for a tiered cake. We will need PJ Mask templates, cornstarch, fondant in 3 colors or you can color it yourself, a rolling pin, edible glue, an X-Acto knife or PenBlade, and a Dresden Tool to help us add texture to our decorations. When working with fondant, make sure to always use cornstarch on your surface to prevent sticking. We will start by rolling out a piece of red fondant to make owlette. Make sure to powder the top to prevent sticking as well, because we will place our paper template on top of the fondant. When cutting the template, I like to clean my blade in between cuts just to make sure that it doesn't get sticky, or I also like to dip it into cornstarch to make sure that it doesn't snag any of the fondant that I'm cutting around the template. Now that I have my template cut out, I'm going to trace the details with the Dresden tool so I know where to place additional fondant for dimension. Now that I have my first layer, I will be cutting out a second layer of fondant to place on top so I can add dimension to my PJ mask. I will also go ahead and cut out the mouth and the eyes so I can use them as templates for adding them onto my PJ mask. Make sure that you don't throw away any of your template pieces because they will come in handy when cutting out additional parts for your decorations. For example, the mouth, the eyes, and the rest of the mask so that you know where to place the mouth and the eyes for your decorations. For the nose, mouth, and eyelashes, I will use an edible marker here to add those. You can certainly use fondant to add even more dimension. This is just what I chose for this occasion. Now that you saw how I made owlette, I'll let you watch how I made catboy, and I'll just chime in whenever I feel like there's certain things that need extra explaining. To add the scaly skin on gecko, I will be using my airbrush machine and a honeycomb texture mat that I got from the odds and ends at Hobby Lobby.